Lovely viewers. Hey lovely viewers, have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat chia seeds daily? Chia seeds, the tiny nutritional powerhouses that have taken the health world by storm. Well, you're about to find out. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits and potential side effects of incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet. Let's dive in. First, let's get acquainted with chia seeds. These small seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant and have been a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations for centuries. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Just 1 ounce of these seeds contains a wealth of nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Benefits of eating chia seeds daily. Before moving towards our main topic, here is a reminder for you: if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. This will help me to continue creating more content that you love. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on any new videos. So, what happens when you eat chia seeds daily? 1. Weight management. Chia seeds can help with weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness due to their high fiber content. This can lead to reduced calorie intake. 2. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. 3. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 4. Digestive health. The fiber in chia seeds supports a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. How to incorporate chia seeds? Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is easy. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, add them to smoothies, mix them into oatmeal, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. Potential side. While chia seeds offer numerous benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation. Eating too many chia seeds without enough liquid can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating and diarrhea. In conclusion, incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet can have a positive impact on your health. They are a nutrient-dense addition to your meals, but remember to consume them in moderation and drink plenty of water to avoid any potential side effects. So, now you know what happens when you eat chia seeds daily. Improved digestion, better heart health, blood sugar control, and potential weight management benefits. Chia seeds are indeed a small package with big health rewards. Don't hesitate to give them a try and experience these benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching our video on the incredible benefits of eating chia seeds daily. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Stay healthy, stay happy.